user can provide some additional settings to customize accounts module with the miscellaneous settings interface. Miscellaneous settings can be loaded from defaults menu. This is the interface. In the first field, invoice settings tab, user can mention some accounts that need to be displayed in reservation invoice by default. This all combos list account heads under income group head. User needs to select these accounts. First, user needs to select an accommodation account, and this accommodation income account will be the default account in under accommodation details tab of reservation invoice interface. User wants to change the detail, user can edit this account from the combo listed in reservation invoice interface. Select a transfer account, select supplement account, and select facility account. This is a bill settings field. In the bill settings field, these combos will list all account heads under expense group head. The account selector here will be listing in reservation bill interface by default. The accommodation account head selected will be the default accommodation account for accommodation details tab. The transfer account selector here will be the default account for transfer details tab. The supplement account selector here will be the default supplement account for supplement details tab in reservation bill interface. The facility account selector here will be the default facility account for facility details tab in reservation bill interface. Here from the handling account tab, we can select a account for handling charges by default. Here this in the other account combo, user can mention account that needs to be displayed in accounts combo listing in other places. This is exchange rate settings field. Here some of the transactional contra, receipt, bill, payment, invoice are listed. If buying rate of currencies are to be taken while doing transactions, then check this option. Otherwise, selling rate of the currencies will be taken while doing the transactions. Here no transactions listed. So selling rate of the currencies will be taken into account while doing these transactions. This is a reservation invoice settings field. In this field, user can provide a company code, and this invoice next serial number text box shows its serial number, which is automatically generated by system. If user wants to edit the serial number, user can edit it. The serial number will be shown as the next serial number in invoice number field of client invoice and reservation invoice. This is to resend TO invoice numbers. On selecting this, all serial numbers against TOs are resetted. This is to select a prefix format for reservation invoice. User can select either any of these. This setting cannot be modified after doing some transaction, whereas all other settings can be edited at any time. This is in the right pane, user can provide some additional settings to customize some interfaces. The first one is group head in bill checkbox. This option is to show group head combo in bills interface. When this option is checked, then the group head combo will be listing in bills interface. So the user needs to select a group head first, and the account combo will be listing the accounts according to the group selected. Without checking this option, user can directly pick an account from the account combo. The account combo will list all accounts in all account heads in the combo. And this is change reservation invoice date field. With this option, user can change a date while doing reservation invoice. Invoice date field in reservation invoice interface become enabled if this option is checked. Otherwise, the process date will be considered as reservation invoice date. This is edit account code field. With this option, user can edit account code of account heads and accounts master even after doing transactions against that account. If this option is not enabled, then user cannot modify an account code which is in use. Allow duplicate account code in service invoice. When this option is enabled, user can add more than one service entry under same account head in service invoice interface. Without checking this option, when user tries to enter service details under same account head, message is blocked from user in entering such details. If this option is enabled, we can do more service details under an account head. Show reservation number and reservation perform field. With this option, user can view reservation number and reservation perform master. When this option is checked, a new field reservation number becomes visible in reservation perform master. User can view the reservation number against each transactions. Department wise invoice number. We are selecting this option to track department wise transactions in service invoice interface. If this option is enabled, then in service invoice prefix the department code will be shown, so that user can track service invoice based on departments. Show handling charge in client service invoice. When this option is enabled, then handling rate of the tour operator will be displayed in client service invoice interface according to the TO selected. The handling rate of the TO will be displayed in adult rate text box by default. If user wants to edit the rate, then user can edit the rate and proceed. By default, the handling rate of TO will be shown in adult rate text box in client service invoice if this option is enabled. Board wise transactions. This option is to enable board wise transactions in service invoice. When this option is enabled, a new master board becomes visible under master's menu, so that user can add board details in the master, and these board details will be shown in the board combo of service invoice interface, service invoice interface. User can customize this miscellaneous settings and click on OK to save the changes. Click on cancel to unload this miscellaneous settings interface.